ODI debut and now in black cap colours. Well, the dynamic duo of Babar Azam and Mohammad Rizwan take... Oh, brilliant seam movement once again. What a start that is. Up and over. And gets 4. First boundary for Pakistan and Rizwan.
Yeah, not where you want to be to Rizwan.
Nicely guided down. Oh, what a delicate, beautifully played shot from Babar Azam.
Well, sometimes there's a bowler.
Gets enough glove on that. Into the wake and leg side. Fine leg up in the ring. And first delivery goes for a 4.
Well, but...
Oh, that sounded amazing. And travels the distance. The first 6 of the innings and pings off Rizwan's bat.
Smoked it.
Slow delivery, caresses it through the offside. Babar Azam picks up the boundary.